Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about diatoms. Diatoms are golden brown photosynthetic protists. They are both aquatic and terrestrial. Aquatic diatoms, they can freely float on the surface of water, and this happens due to the presence of lightweight lipids. Here we will see some characteristics of diatoms. For reference, here I have drawn a diagram of diatom. Diatoms are unicellular and the cell wall of diatom is impregnated with silica, and that forms transparent siliceous shell called frustule. On the basis of symmetry, diatoms are classified into two types. One which is bilateral symmetry, which is also known as pinnate type. That is, one is pinnate type. Pinnate type means bilateral symmetry. And the example is navicula. The other type is radial symmetry, and which is also known as centric type. And example for centric type is Melocera. Here I assume you know what is bilateral symmetry and radial symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means that when a line passes through the center of the organism, it divides the organism into two right and left equal halves. That is bilateral symmetry, means pinnate type. Centric type means when any plane divides the organism into two equal halves, that is centric type or radial symmetry. Cell wall of diatoms, it is comprised of two halves, and these two halves are epitheca, which is upper one, and the lower one, that is hypotheca. Epitheca fits over hypotheca just like a soap box. So this is the characteristic of diatom. In diatom, cytoplasm is having a big central vacuole. Within the central vacuole, nucleus lies. So if I take a cross section, it appears like this. So this is the outer wall, and in the middle of the cytoplasm, central vacuole is present, in which nucleus is present. Since it is a photosynthetic protist, so here photosynthetic pigments are present, and these pigments are chlorophyll A, E, beta carotene, and xanthophyll. Food is stored in the form of leucocin and volutin granules. Diatoms, they form 50% of the organic matter in the biosphere. Now about reproduction. Diatoms, they reproduce by both mode of reproduction, asexual and sexual. Asexual mode, which occurs by fission, that is binary fission. In the binary fission, mother cell divides into two daughter cells. And sexual reproduction, it is isogamous to oogamous. As diatoms have silica in their cell wall, so the cell wall becomes indestructible, and as a result of this, that they get accumulated on the seabed and forms a huge rock like a structure, and that structure is known as diatomaceous earth, which is used for various commercial purposes like brewing industries, sugarcane refineries for the manufacture of toothpaste, etc. Diatom, apart from this, diatoms are good indicator of water pollution. Now we will see the common examples. That the common examples are Navicula, Melocera, Cymbala, etc. This was all about the common characteristics of diatoms. In the next video, I will discuss about euglenoid.